Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Wrangler's thermostat step by step. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm socket, a torque wrench, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. Next, you'll need to drain about 1 gallon of coolant from your radiator into the drain pan. Finally, locate the thermostat housing, typically found at the end of the upper radiator hose on the engine. Now that you've drained some coolant, it's time to remove the old thermostat. Begin by carefully disconnecting the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Next, use your 13mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding the housing in place. Gently pull the housing away and take out the old thermostat. Remember to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces to ensure a perfect seal for the new part. With the old thermostat out and surfaces clean, let's install the new one. Carefully insert the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly. Then, place a fresh gasket onto the thermostat housing. Reattach the housing, tightening the 2 bolts to 18 foot-pounds using your torque wrench. Finally, securely reconnect the upper radiator hose, ensuring all clamps are tight. You're almost done. Now, refill your cooling system with the correct coolant mixture. Start the engine and let it run with the heater on high to bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Finally, carefully check around the thermostat housing for any signs of leaks and monitor your engine temperature gauge to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.